Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho CRM automations for recruiter follow-ups, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the Automation tab in the top menu. Select Workflow Rules from the drop-down options. Click on the Create Rule button located in the upper right corner. Choose the module relevant to your recruitment process, such as leads or contacts. Name your rule clearly, such as Recruiter Follow-up. Set the trigger for the rule to activate. Select options like when a record is created or when a record is edited. Next, define the criteria that will trigger the follow-up. For example, you might choose status is equal to new lead. Once your criteria are set, click on the Next button. Now, specify the actions you want to automate. Choose Send Email as one of the possible actions for follow-up. Configure the email template you want to send. Include a subject line and personalized content tailored to the recipient. Add additional actions if needed, such as adding a task or sending a notification. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Test the automation by creating a new lead that meets the criteria. Monitor the results to see if the follow-up email is sent as expected. Make adjustments to your automation based on any feedback or missed opportunities. Once satisfied with the test, activate your workflow. Regularly check the performance of your automation over time. Refine and update the settings as your recruitment needs evolve. This will ensure consistent follow-up and engagement with candidates. Using these steps, you can efficiently configure Zoho CRM automations for recruiter follow-ups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.